This is RealMotion Pro Quick Tip number 1. RealMotion Pro is Blender add-on with over 450 plus animation library and 1700 plus mockups you can retarget and save it to your library. This add-on supports auto-reg, redify, measurement, and DAS. And today I'm going to show you how to add multiple animation together. So let's start. Here I have this character and I'm going to load animation to it. So here let's say I'm going to load walking animation. So the first thing you have to do is choose your source rig. If your character is auto rig, choose auto rig. If measure mode, choose measure. So this auto rig, so I choose auto rig and then assign your character rig here. And now here you can set for any animation from the library here. I'm going to load walking and now here I can choose from the list. So I'm going to choose this walking animation. So when I click on load animation, this animation will apply to all the bones. What if I want to apply to only the selected bones? So to apply to all the selected bones, here I'm going to reset the race. So any animation will delete, and now I'll click on selected bones only. Now here you have to be in pose mode. So I'll go to pose mode and I'm going to select only the bones I want to load animation to. So now I'm going to click on load animation and now I can see my character is walking but the hand is not moving because we applied the animation to the selected bones only, which is the lower part of the character. So now the next thing I'm going to do is, let's say I want to load another animation to the upper part. Maybe he's walking and holding a gun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for another animation like rifle holding idle. So I have this animation. I can select this animation and I'm going to load this animation to the upper part of the character. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl+I to invert the selected bones. So now I have selected the upper part of the character and I'm going to load to the selected bones only. When I click on load animation, I can see that animation ends on frame 75, okay, but the walking end on frame 25. Let's say I want it to end on the same 25. So what I will do is I'm going to press undo and what I'm going to do is I'm going to type 25 here. So when I load the animation, the rifle holding animation also going to end on frame 25. So let me preview and see what we have. So we will have the character doing walking the animation and holding the rifle here. So this is very good and you can combine multiple animation together. I can also select the other parts like the hands only. I'm going to select all these parts only. And I can search for hold. And I have this holding idle. So when I load this animation, this will apply to this hand. So this hand is going to hold something and this is going to do the rifle. I can just go to where this animation end on 26 and I can load walking again. Okay, so this one I can load to all the bones. So I'll click uncheck the selected bones only and I'm going to choose a walking. I'll click load and what I'll do is I'll just go here and click on recall and I'm going to click on recall and this will make the character continue from where it is. So this is what you're going to have. So once it reaches here, it's going to start going to the walking animation. So let's see what we have. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to where the jump here, okay, and I'll go to post mode and I want to select those parts that jump. So I'm going to select all these parts here. Let's scroll down here and go to the blending and I'm going to choose maybe 4 frames to blend and let's see what you have. So once I reach here, it's going to blend to the walking. Okay, I can just increase the blending to maybe 5 and blend it again and let's see what you have. So this is a quick tip you can use to combine multiples of animation into like layers.